Welcome to 50 Mountains Climber Challenge. Burn fat fast with this cardio workout. But if you don't know, mountain climber exercise is a low impact, high intensity workout that engages the core, legs and upper body muscles, enhancing cardiovascular health. As a result, it improves coordination, posture and boosts overall strength. So let's get ready for mountain climbers 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You have successfully completed the exercise. Do this workout every day and you will surely see the results in no time. Stay tuned with Health App and see you tomorrow.